Hello guys, welcome back to Joyce Arts. So today I have this style here. This is what we call Bandika lines, or you can also call them cornrows with on here, or you can call them Ghanaians attachments. Okay, you can give them another name. You can call them medu, shonelea, that is Swahili. Okay, and you can give them another name from your language. Okay, good. So shortly I'll be showing you a process whereby you will be able to make it this way. So guys, let's go. So I'll be starting by doing the inner line. So I've just done already the halfway. So I'm only concentrating on this part here. So let's part it as we continue. Okay. So I'm just parting it a little bit here. And then I have to plait it to the other side. I'll be fixing it in a small strand of braid. And I'll be just doing the normal plain lines, or you can call them the normal cornrows. Yeah, so this is how I start. So you don't have to pull for the line to come out neat, you just have to be gentle. Yeah, so after reaching here I have to finish this strand so that it can cover the part that I want. Okay, so it has to be curved. So to make that happen I have to part another hair from here. So let's part here. So this is how I make it to be curved. So I have to plait it there until the middle or the center of the head. Okay, all right, so let's do the lines first. As I'm doing the lines this way, I already made the cornrows aside, so they are there waiting, they are ready. And for anybody who is wanting or would like to know how to make the cornrows to attach or to weave on these lines, you can just go to my channel and then you write Bandika lines, okay, or you write Bandika strands. I am doing a three strands Bandika, or a 3 strands Ghana weave on. Okay, so you can just check on my channel down there, you'll see it, and you can also learn. All right, good. So I'm going also to do another one. The process is still just the same. Remember not to pull too much, because you need to add a strand on top of the line, so you don't have to pull too much. All right, okay, so we have to curve it again that way to the other side. So for this part I have to do like 4 of them this way, and then I have to do the inner ones or the middle ones that way. This one I'm plaiting it, they're just straight the way you're seeing them. All right, so we come here, you see the hair, the way it looks. All of them will be meeting at the center. And these are the strands that I'm going to use. There are 27 pieces. You can check on them, they are very good, sharp pointing, very neat. Yeah, and they're the same size. So let's start the weaving. I'll be needing the 2 needles, but I have to use the thinner one, I mean the small one, because it does it good. Yeah, but the bigger one makes it good when you are styling the finishing part. So I'll be using the small one. Let's do it. You have to lay your needle down the line first, that way, and then you have to do as I am doing. You have to pass it through under the line to the other side of the strand. Again, you pass through down the line to the strand, the other side. As you continue, you pass through down the line through the weave or the strand as you move to the other side. All right, so as for here, I have to pass between not between how can I explain it, through the line, through the cornrows, or through the line, through the strand. Yeah, that's how I can explain it better. Maybe I don't know, but it's okay. I hope you understand. So through the inner line, through the cornrows or the weave on. So that way, as we continue, this way it will help you to hide the thread, because when you are doing that way, you have to be very careful, because sometimes they might turn, and when they turn, they will show the thread. So you have to pass it the way I'm doing it, okay, or to weave the way I'm weaving it. So guys, let's continue. Remember, this style doesn't pull clients' hairline that much, the way you guys are thinking or are saying. Yeah, and sometimes, you know, a style might not be that bad. Yeah, because we hairdressers, we are different. Yeah, some are there, they pull too much, some they don't pull, and some they're just in the middle. So not everybody is pulling, and not every hairdresser likes to destroy someone's hair. Okay guys, so take note of that. Yeah, even me, I can't like to go to a hairdresser who is pulling my hair, who is making it or who is spoiling it. Okay, so when you're commenting, be a little bit with that caring, because I'm not that bad. I also am not that good, but when you're commenting, please, it's good to care for me also, because I also care for you guys. Okay, yeah, I just felt like saying that, but I still love you guys. Yep, so we continue with what we are doing. In fact, this method of attaching the strands is very simple. Yeah, as I said earlier, it's a protective method, and the style also is a protective style. So it's you to know how you play with the client's head, your client's hair. All right. That is it. So we'll be putting the fourth one, which is the same process. So I will let you follow the process slowly by slowly. So after that, you're coming here in the middle. So here you just put them straight, as simple as it is. All right, but the weaving is still the same method. As for this style, you can leave the braids hanging if you like them hanging, but if you don't like them hanging, you can still style them. All right, that is the last process that I'll be showing you how to style them. Yeah, so here we go. You can leave them hanging, and so you have to part the strands into two parts that way, and then you have to make them smooth or lying together. So you can use your needle to knit them together or to weave them together that way. Remember, for better styling, the strands, the remaining strands have to be tight and neat. All right, if you're doing hairstyle and that you're going to style, make sure that the strands, they have to be neat and tight. Okay, good. So after that, this remaining, I have to fold it over there downward. Stop it, Zemi. So there we go. That way, it's a simple style, and I really like this style because it brings everything unique. I like using it because it's so easy and very nice. Okay, so let's continue. So this is the last part here. I have to fold them, or you can put them together first like a one strand, and then you fold them inside. There. So that's how simple this styling is. So guys, that's how it looks. Yeah, so I hope you like my art, and I thank God for you being there for me, and I will always be there for you. All right, okay, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for your support. Thank you for loving what I'm doing. So guys, for any question, any inquiries, you can just leave the comment under the comment section, and then I'll get back to you. All right, thank you so much. May God bless you. May you never lack. We love you guys. Until next time, and bye bye.